Hi guys, I know you've got some questions about what to do with the digital journal. Um, I want you to self-assess. You had 5 assignments: the American Dream Journal, the Younger Family Dreams, the TP Fast of Mother to Son, your Dream Journal, so what was your dream, and the TP Fast of Sympathy. For the American Dream Journal, it says, what is the American Dream? I hope that you understood that question is asking you to basically, what do you think? What is the American Dream, do you think? Maybe it's not just one dream, but overall, what are people looking for when they come to the US? There's people who are dying to become citizens. So what is it that they're looking for here? Okay, so to self-assess these, there is a rubric at the bottom. If you have done what I asked you to do, if you answered the prompt completely and thoughtfully, that's a 3. Okay, if you've gone above and beyond, if you've written like an entire page for your journal, if you've done lots of examples, gone beyond what I was expecting, that's a 4. If you were kind of vague in your answers, didn't really support your thoughts with some evidence, if it appears to be rushed, that's more like a 2. And if you did not answer the prompt or you only wrote 1 or 2 sentences, that's a 1. Okay, so add those up. It should be out of 20. When you're done doing that, I would like you to put your score behind your name on that first page. Then, to submit it, I want you to go to in the materials, on our homepage here, week 10 is where this is. Digital notebook submission. So I want you to open that up. Okay, the rubric is then there again for you if you need it, but this is where I would like you to submit it. Okay, I hope that helps.